Welcome, everybody. This is how you would enable and disable Data Snipper, Engagement Manager, and Go File Room inside of Excel if you are ever having issues or do not see one of these add-ins running, or if you need to enable or disable them. So first things first, if we don't see it or we need to disable it, we would go over to File, and then we would go over to Options. Then from Options, we would go to Add-ins. Then from Add-ins, the first thing we're going to want to check is Excel Add-ins. To enable it, it would be checking the box and disabling unchecking the box. If, let's say, Data Snipper isn't working and we don't see it in our Excel spreadsheet, we would look for Data Snipper inside of Excel add-ins. And if it's unchecked, we would just want to check it like this, press OK, and then the add-in would be enabled, and we would just need to close and reopen Excel. If, for example, Engagement Manager isn't working, what we would want to do is then first come over into this section in add-ins again. We want to make sure that all the Thomson Reuters workflows along with Go File Room and Engagement Manager are checked off. We would then press OK, then come over to Options again. We would then go to Add-ins. From Add-ins, we would come down to this drop-down menu, go to Comma Add-ins, then look for anything related to Thomson Reuters, Engagement Manager, or Go File Room again. Make sure they're all ticked off if we want to enable them, and if we want to disable them, make sure they are not checked. We would then press OK, and then the final place we would want to check is we would go Options, then we would go Add-ins, and then we're going to go back to this drop-down menu again, and we're going to go to Disabled Items. We would then press Go, and if anything is disabled, it will appear in this box right here. We would simply click on the item that is disabled. Obviously, we don't have anything disabled right now. And then we would just press enabled and then close, then OK. And then all you would have to do is restart Excel. So close Excel out by pressing the X in the top right, then reopen Excel, and anything that was disabled will then reappear at this top ribbon. And if it was enabled and you disabled it, it would then be gone from this top ribbon. If you have any further questions or need any additional support, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.